Welcome to Maths Master. In this video, I will be solving problems of Class 10 ICSE Concise Mathematics, Chapter 1, Value Added Taxes, Exercise 1A. I have a digital copy of the textbook, which I have opened here. Value Added Taxes. In that, there are primarily the important formulas in the before the first exercise. We'll look into the formula part. We already know what cost price is equal to. So what is cost price? CP, in other terms, is the amount paid to purchase the item, the article, whatever it may be. Similarly, selling price is the amount at which the article is sold. This is a general definition for cost price and selling price. Now, if we go a little further, profit and loss. We call it a profit when selling price is greater than cost price. The profit value will be selling price minus cost price. The difference between the selling price and the cost price will give us profit when selling price is greater than cost price. Similarly, it is loss when cost price is greater than selling price. That means cost price minus selling price gives us loss. Okay? Going further, in this particular chapter, value added taxes, we'll be able to come across one more thing called as market price. Market price or listed price or quoted price, quote price. We have multiple names for this particular one. All it means is the MRP, which you would have seen on almost every packed items, right? Market price, listed price, quoted price or quote price. You can have multiple names for this. What is the difference between market price and the selling price is what we'll be seeing now. Now, market price will be same as selling price or sale price. Market price will be same as sale price if no discount is provided. If no discount is provided. In case there is a discount, the discount is always calculated on market price. Okay. If there is a discount of 10%, if a vendor says there is a discount in his store for purchasing certain items, like discount of 10% or 5%, usually the discount will be announced in terms of percentile. Now if they mention the discount is 10%, whatever the market price be, 10% will be 10% less for that amount will be the sale price from that particular vendor. Okay. Now coming into this chapter, what we have is will be introduced with sales tax, a concept called sales tax, and sales tax is always calculated on sale price. Sales tax is always calculated on sale price. Now how is it calculated? Sales tax is equal to rate of tax, which we have over here. Yeah, you'll be able to see it in the textbook. Okay, so working, done. Sales tax is calculated on sale price. It is calculated by using the formula sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax multiplied with sale price divided by 100. Sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax multiplied by sales price divided by 100. Okay. Now, how do I find rate of sales tax? It's the same exact thing. If I have to find sales price or if I have to find rate of sales tax, we can rearrange the formula like rate of sales tax. Rate of sales tax will be equal to the 100 comes to the other side, which makes it sales tax multiplied with 100 divided by when reciprocal happens, sale price goes to the denominator onto the other side, sale price. So rate of sales tax is equal to sales tax multiplied with 100 divided by sale price. Similarly, sales price is equal to sales tax multiplied with 100 divided by sale price. Okay, these are the three important things that you need to know in this particular chapter to go further. Okay, now in this particular exercise 1A, the first exercise of this chapter, that is 1A. In this exercise, we are not going to do all the problems. There are like 13 problems. I'm going to do only 5 or 6 problems I'll be doing in this particular one by looking at the questions. Just a minute. Let me load the question. Yeah. Okay. Now exercise 1A has a question stating, the first problem says, Rajat purchases, if it is visible, yeah. Rajat purchases a wristwatch costing 540. The rate of sales tax is 8%. Find the total amount paid by Rajat for the watch. That's what the question says. Rajat has purchased a wristwatch costing certain amount. The rate of sales tax is given. You need to find the amount paid by Rajat for the tax. Pay close attention. They are not asking for the sale price. They are not asking for the sale price. What all things are given, you need to write it down first. In whichever standard you are in, whether it is 10th standard or 1st standard, the first thing you need to know is, while solving a maths, try to buy the book which has a partition in between so that all the working can be done on the right hand side, or make a partition on your book which you're doing to keep it neat. Okay. Now, Rajat purchases a wristwatch costing 540 rupees is what the question says. So, Rajat purchases a wristwatch costing 540 rupees. So, that is the market price of the watch is 540 rupees. Is rupees 540. The market price of the watch is 540 rupees. I'm going to write it in a proper sentence now. In other words, sale price of the watch is rupees 540. Sale price of the watch is rupees 540. Why I'm taking in terms of sale price is because we came across the formulas in terms of sale price and not in terms of market price. I wanted to keep it that way. So sale price of the watch is 540 rupees given in the question. Now they have also given the rate of sales tax. Rate of sales tax is equal to 8%, clearly mentioned in the question. Now they are asking you to find the total amount paid by Rajat. The total amount paid by Rajat. Amount paid by Rajat is what they are asking. So I'm putting a question mark for that. Now, by looking at these problems, by looking at these formulas, if you can think out a formula, it is good. What we have is sales tax, we have a sales price and rate of sales tax. In this question, there are two things given. Sale price is given and rate of sales tax is given. Sale price is 540 rupees and rate of sales tax is 8%, but with which I don't think the solution of amount paid by Rajat is not, will not be able to get that part. How do we find it? First thing first, you need to know what is amount paid by Rajat. Always the amount paid amount paid by customer is always equal to, the amount paid by customer is always equal to sale price plus sales tax. You understand this one? See, amount paid by customer is always, in whichever problem you take, is always equal to sale price plus sales tax, wherein sale price will be after discount. If there is, in this particular problem, there is no discount given by the watch vendor, but however, if there is a discount given, then that discount will get deducted from the from the market price, and that will become the new sale price. The new sale price plus sales tax will give you the answer. Okay, now amount paid by the customer is equal to sale price plus sales tax. Now we know that sale price is 540 rupees. They have clearly mentioned in the question, but we don't know what is sales tax. Okay, we know the formula for sales tax, that is sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax multiplied with SP, I'm calling sale price as SP, divided by 100. Okay, applying all the values which we know, rate of sales tax is 8%, so 8 multiplied with 540 divided by 100. For absolute beginners, please have a look at this. 8%, we don't include percentile here. If I write it as 8%, I need to write it down as 8 by 100, which is not a right way of doing it. The moment they ask rate of sales tax, it includes just the number part. Okay, this divided by 100 is included over here, so you don't have to redo the division part. Okay, now once I find the sales tax, whatever value I get under sales tax, that will be getting added to sale price to get the amount paid by the customer. That's as simple as that. Let's do the working part. The 0 and the 0 gets cancelled. We'll be getting 8 into 54 divided by 10. 8 into 54 by 10 can be written as 554 multiplied with 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 43. We have 432. Yeah, 432. So 432 divided by 10 will give me 43.2. So my sales tax is 43.2 rupees. My sales tax is 43.2 rupees. So if I take it in the equation, if I put it on the solution part, amount paid by customer, amount paid by customer or Rajat is equal to 540, that is sale price, plus 43.2, which is equal to 583.2 rupees. So Rajat pays 583.2 rupees to buy the watch. So 583.2 is the right answer. If you're getting it, if you're understanding it, it is well and good. I'm going easy and slow. If there is any confusion, you can put it across the comment section. Okay. Now, let's go for the next problem. There is one problem from this particular exercise, which was asked in the year 2003. It says, the price of washing machine inclusive of sales tax. The second problem is similar to the first one. You can find the rate of sales tax. Pretty easy one. They have given the sales tax and you're supposed to pay, Ramesh paid 346.60 as sales tax. Sales tax is given, selling price is given. You need to find out rate of sales tax. The percentage part is what you need to find out. You can use the second formula to get the solution for this one. Okay. Now, the third problem says the price of washing machine inclusive of sales tax is 13,530. If the sales tax is 10%, find its basic cost price. What are they asking for? Basic price. The price of washing machine inclusive of sales tax is 13,530. If the sales tax is 10%, find its basic price. So in general, they're asking what is the sale price of the washing machine. They're saying the price of washing machine inclusive of sales tax. So 13,530 rupees will be the amount paid by the customer. 13,530 will be the amount paid by the customer. They are asking for the value at which the sale price was marked. The sale price was marked is what they are asking for. So how are we going to do? First thing first, we'll write down all the given information. The price of washing machine inclusive of sales tax is equal to 13,530 rupees. So 13,530 rupees is the amount paid by customer. I'm not changing this particular part. If you observe this very carefully, amount paid by the customer, I'm keeping this part as a common thing. So whenever we have a scenario where sale price is included with sales tax, I'm going to use the same formula to make it easier in understanding. Okay, amount paid by the customer is equal to 13,530 rupees is what they have given. Okay, now in this they have clearly mentioned rate of sales tax. Rate of sales tax is equal to 10%. The question clearly says amount paid by customer is equal to 13,530. Rate of sales tax is equal to 10%. If the sales tax is 10%, find the basic cost price. So you're supposed to find the sale price. You need to find out the sale price is equal to question mark. We know that sale price is equal to 10% of sales tax is equal to 10% of sale price. Now we'll see how the problem can be solved. Amount paid by customer, we know the formula for amount paid by customer. Amount paid by customer is equal to sale price plus sales tax. Okay, sale price plus sales tax. We'll assume sale price be equal to X if it makes it easier, or else you can go with the same term. I'm going to assume it as X. If I assume it as X, now sales tax is equal to 10% of sale price, which is equal to 10 by 100 multiplied with X. Clear? Sales tax. Now if I add this over here, amount paid by the customer, which we know it's already 13,530 rupees, is equal to sale price, which is equal to X, which is unknown, plus 10% of X. If I solve this problem, I'll be getting my solution, which is 10. I'll be getting, when I do the LCM, I'll be getting 10, and this is 10x plus x equals 13,530. 10 goes to the other side, it will become 135300 equals 11x. So x will be equal to 1,35,300 divided by 11. In most of these problems, these kind of sums will always be divisible. If you can see this, 11 times 1, 2 remains, 2, 3 remains, 3, and 00 is the sale price, which is 12,300 rupees will be the sale price. The sale price for this particular problem will be equal to 12,300 rupees. If you have any confusions, you can ask in the comment section. You can post it in the comment section. I hope it is clear. I'm going for the next problem. In this one, Sarita purchases biscuit costing 158, on which rate of sales tax is 6%. She also purchases some cosmetic goods costing 354, on which the rate of sales tax is 9%. Find the total amount to be paid by Sarita. Okay. Now, fourth problem. The question is a little big. If you have a textbook, it's good. If not, please take a screenshot of the same thing for later use. Sarita purchases biscuit costing 158 rupees, on which the rate of sales tax is 6%. Okay. There are two different things Sarita is purchasing in this one. Okay. So fourth problem, Sarita purchases biscuit purchases biscuits costing biscuits for rupees 158 and rate of sales tax is equal to 6% for biscuits. Rate of sales tax for biscuits is 6%. And the next part is she also purchases some cosmetics. I'm writing down all the given part, students. Yeah. The first thing first, you need to write down everything which is given in the question. Makes it easier for you to understand, and it also helps in getting the score. Okay, she also purchases some cosmetics goods. Okay, Sarita purchases cosmetics for rupees 354 and rate of sales tax for cosmetics is equal to 9%. Okay, find the total amount to be paid by Sarita. You need to find out what is the amount paid by Sarita. I'm turning off the questions. They're asking like what is the amount, the final amount paid by customer. Total amount paid by Sarita. Amount paid by Sarita is equal to question mark. Okay, amount paid by Sarita is equal to question mark. We are supposed to find this part. Now, how do we do this one? Sarita purchases biscuit for rupees 158 for a rate of sales tax, with a rate of sales tax 6%. And she purchases cosmetic for 354 rupees with a rate of sales tax 9%. Okay, we'll take them together. First thing first, sales tax of biscuits. Sales tax of biscuits is equal to rate of sales tax, that is 6%, multiplied with sale price, which is 158, divided by 100. If I do this one, I'll be getting sales tax of biscuits. Similarly, sales tax of cosmetics will be equal to 9 times 354 divided by 100. Okay, if I solve these two, I'll be getting my solution for this particular problem. I'll be getting two different answers. Those will be the sales tax. Amount paid by Sarita will be sales tax added with the sale price in both the condition. We need to do that. Let me do the calculation part for this one. 6 into 158 divided by 100. I'll take it as 6 into 158 divided by 100. So there are two zeros, guys. There are two zeros. If it has been cancelled, I can take this as 1.58, the decimal. So it is 1.58 multiplied with 6. If I do this way, 6 8s are 48, 6 5s are 30, 34, and 6 1s are 6, plus 3 will give me 9. So after decimal point, there are two numbers. So it will be 9.48 rupees. What is that? It will be 9.48 rupees. So sales tax of biscuits is equal to 9.48 rupees. Similarly, if I do for cosmetics, it is 9 multiplied with 354 divided by 100. I'm going to do the same method. So this will become 3.54. So 3.54 multiplied with 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 will give me 31.86. So my answer should be 31.86 in this case. 31.86 rupees. Now, what is the amount paid by Sarita is what we'll be seeing. Just a minute. Okay, sorry. Now we'll be seeing what is the amount paid by Sarita. Amount paid by Sarita is equal to sale price of biscuits plus sales tax. This is the first case, plus sale price plus sales tax of cosmetics. This is for biscuits and this is for cosmetics. I'm taking two different things together. Please understand. Now sale price is equal to 158 plus sales tax is 9.48 if I'm not wrong. Yes, 9.48 plus 354 plus 31.86. 31.86. So I have four different values. If I add them all, I'll be getting my solution. Let's check what will be the solution. 158 plus 354 plus 9.48 and 31.86. So 6 plus 8 gives me 4, 14, 5 plus 8 will be 13, 9, 10, 19, 23. So 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 5. So my answer should be 553.34 rupees. So amount totally paid by Sarita for both cosmetics as well as biscuits will be equal to 553.34 rupees. Now we'll be going for the next set of problems. Okay, going to the next problem. The fifth problem says that the market price of two articles. The market price of two articles A and B together is 6,000 rupees. The sales tax on article A. The sales tax on article A is 8% and that on article B is 10%. If on selling both the articles, the total sales tax collected is 552. Find the market price of each of the article. A and B is what they are asking. Okay, let's solve this problem. It says the market price of two articles A and B is equal to together is 6,000 rupees is what they have mentioned. Okay, now in this problem we can take a scenario as fifth problem I'm solving. Let market price of article A is equal to X and let market price of article B is equal to Y. Okay, let market price of article A is equal to X and let market price of article B is equal to Y. Now they are saying when both the articles are, the market price inclusive of both articles is 6,000 rupees is what they have mentioned. So X plus Y is equal to 6,000 rupees. Okay, X plus Y is equal to 6,000 rupees. Now the sales tax on an article A is 8% and that of an article B is 10%. If on selling both the articles, the total sales tax collected is 552 rupees is what they have given. Okay, now rate of sales tax is mentioned. So rate of sales tax of article A is equal to 8% and rate of sales tax of B is equal to 10%. This is what they have given. Rate of sales tax of article A is equal to 8% and rate of sales tax of B is equal to 10%. They have given sales tax. The total sales tax will be equal to 552 rupees. So total sales tax is equal to 552 rupees. Okay, There are two methods to solve this particular problem. There are two methods to solve this particular problem. The first method will be an easier one. I'll just show how it could be done, how the problem could be taken. They have mentioned x plus y is equal to 6,000. We'll come to this part later. Now, market price. Rate of sales tax is given. So we can take the sales tax formula. Sales tax is equal to rate of sales tax. Sales tax of article A is what I'm doing now. Sales tax of article A is what I'm doing now, which is equal to rate of sales tax, that is 8% given, 8% multiplied with 8 multiplied with selling price of article A is X divided by 100. Sales tax of article A will be equal to 8x by 100. Similarly, sales tax of B will be equal to 10 multiplied with y divided by 100. Clear? Now 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Here 4 2s are 4 25s are. We'll be getting two different answers, that is 2x by 25 and the other is y by 10. Okay, we have two different things, 2x by 25 and y by 10. Now, x plus y is equal to 6,000. We'll include that. We know that total sales tax is equal to 552. So if I add these two, that is 2x by 25 plus y by 10 should be equal to 552. If I add these two, my answer is 552. Why? Sales tax of A, article A, and sales tax of article B combinedly gives me 552 rupees, not giving me, sorry, collected will be equal to 552 rupees given in the question. So keeping that in mind, I can say 2x by 25 plus y by 10 should give me 552. Okay, now doing the math over here, the LCM part will be equal to 25 and 10 will be 50 and 4x plus 5y equals 552. So 4x plus 5y is equal to 552 multiplied with 50, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 0 0, 25 26, 2, 25 26, 27. So 27,600 will be one of its value. 27,600 will be 4x plus 5y. This is 1, and we already know that x plus y is equal to 6,000. Here we did it here. So x plus y is equal to 6,000. That is first equation, and second equation for that will be 4x plus 5y equals 27,600. I'll be doing in another method. Now x plus y is equal to 6,000. Excuse me. X plus y is equal to 6,000 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 27,600. We have two different values. Let's try to substitute. The substitution can happen in multiple ways. One, by doing the simultaneous equation, or the other way is by substituting one of its value. So like here, I'm taking the second method where x plus y equals 6,000 can be written as y is equal to 6,000 minus x. In this way, I'll substitute this part in the second equation, that is 4x plus 5y equals 27,600. 27,600. Yeah. Now y value, I'll be able to replace it over here. 4x plus 5 into 6,000 minus x equals 27,600. Again 4x plus 5 6 are 30,000 minus 5x equals 27,600. I'll be getting minus 1x equals minus 2,400 when 30,000 goes to the other side. So minus and minus gets cancelled. X will be equal to 2,400. If my x value is 2,400 rupees, my y value will be equal to 6000 minus X, which is equal to 6000 minus 2400, which could be 3600 rupees. So Y is equal to 3000 rupees, 3600, and X is equal to 2400. Any doubts in this one? You can put it across comment section. Any confusions? You can put it across comment section. Now, you can see that total, what we did over here is market price of article A was assumed to be equal to X. So X value is 2400. So market price of article A is 2400, and market price of article B, that is Y, is equal to 3600. Now, similar to this, the sixth problem is also given. The price of TV set inclusive of sales tax of 9% is 13,400. Find its market price if sales tax is increased to 13%. How much more does the customer has to pay for the television good? It's an important question, previously asked in an exam. Consider it an important question. Okay, now the sixth question, the price of a TV set inclusive of sales tax of 9%. Okay, so price of TV set inclusive of sales tax of 9% is 13,407. So that means amount paid by customer. You go with this one. I'm not going to use any SP or CP over here to confuse. From the beginning of the chapter, from the beginning of this video, I'm coming in the same format. In the same format, this is also been repeated. Okay, amount paid by the customer will be equal to 13,407, which includes sales tax of 9% on the market price. Okay, now they are asking, find the market price if sales tax is increased to 13%. How much more does the customer has to pay for the TV? First thing first, we are given with amount paid by the customer. We know what all things to be calculated. Inclusive of sales tax of 9%. So, sales tax plus selling price will be equal, sale price is equal to 13,407. Sales tax plus sale price is equal to 13,407. Right? Amount paid by customer is nothing but sales tax included with selling price. Okay, now these two is equal to 13,407. Now we know the formula for sales tax, that is rate of sales tax multiplied with selling price divided by 100. Now rate of sales tax in the question is given to be 9%. So in the question it is given to be 9%. So what I'll do, 9 multiplied with sale price divided by 100 plus sale price will be equal to 13,407. Okay, I hope it is making sense to you. I'm not doing it as separate problem. Previously, we had a similar kind of problem in this exercise where it was done by taking them separately. It was done by taking them separately. Where is it? Yeah. In this one, what we did is we assumed sale price is equal to X. The third problem is similar to this one. So in that we took sale price as X and we did rate of sales tax separately. We did rate of sales tax separately. We did not include it. Now in this particular problem, what we will do is we are taking it directly. Sales tax value in a formula right away it can be taken. This is also a right method of doing it. Now in this case what happens? 9 by 100 into SP plus SP is equal to 13,407. I'm sorry, I wrote the same thing again. If I take SP common from both the sides, over here, if SP is taken out, 9 by 100 remains. So I'll take out 9 by 100. I'm writing 9 by 100 inside the brackets. Plus, over here, if SP is taken out, I'll be left out with only a number 1. So which is equal to 13407. So SP 100, LCM will be 9 plus 100 is equal to 13,407. So SP into 109 is equal to 13,407 multiplied with 100. SP is equal to SP into 109, 9 plus 100, and 100 taken on to the other side makes it 13,407 into 100, which will be equal to 134 0700 109 into SP. In the next step, SP goes below, 109 goes below. SP is equal to 1340700 divided by 109. The number looks complicated, but it will be divisible by one another. It will be divisible in this case. 1340700 divided by 109. I'm going directly with 109. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just doing with the same number, 109 times 1, and I'll be left out with another remainder. I'll do it the regular long division method. There is 109. I'm not taking the last two zeros. It can be included in the solution anyways later. Okay, it can be added at the quotient part. Now 109 times 1, 109. I'll be left out with 34 minus 9 will be equal to 25. Yeah, 25, 0. So 2 times will be equal to 218. I'll be left out with 2, 3, 327. 3 times is 327, 0. So for other 2 zeros, I'll put the 2 zeros. So my answer should be SP will be equal to 12,300 rupees. So 12,300 rupees should be the selling price for this particular problem. Check this out, guys. What I did here is I did not take sales tax as a separate term. I did not solve it separately. What I did is I multiplied sales tax. I took the formula of sales tax right over here and I started solving for sales price and I got the solution as 12,300 rupees. This is what they were asking in the question. No, sorry. Find its market price is the first half of the question. We are done with the first half. If sales tax is increased to 13%, how much more does the customer has to pay to the TV? Okay, so if sales tax got all of a sudden increased to 13%, if that is the case, what will happen? We'll see that. Now, we know that sale price is equal to 12,300 rupees. Sale price is equal to 12,300 rupees. Okay, I think you're able to see it. Okay, done. Sale price is equal to 12,300 rupees. Percentage. Rate of sales tax is equal to 13%. If this is the case, what will be the sales tax or the amount paid? Sales tax will be equal to 13% multiplied with 12300 divided by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 13 times 123 will give me 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 1 2 3, 9, 9, 5, 1. So 1,599 rupees is the sales tax. The new amount paid will be equal to 12300 plus 1599. 12300 plus 1599, which is equal to 13,899. Yeah, 13,899 rupees is the amount paid by the customer. But in this case, they're asking how much more does the customer has to pay for the TV. Now, already the customer has paid certain amount, that is 13,407 is already paid. 13,407 rupees is already paid. Now they're asking how much more did he has to pay if the sales tax was increased to 13% is what they are saying. Okay, in that case, what happens? The difference amount or more money paid will be equal to the difference amount or more money paid will be equal to 13,899 minus 13,407. Okay, reminder is 298 minus 407. 492 rupees. So the answer is 492 rupees for this particular problem. Chapter 1, exercise 1A, sixth problem gives you an answer as, the answer for the sixth problem is 492 rupees. Okay, now we are not doing all the problems. I'll go for the problem 10th and 13th, which looks a little unique and big actually. Now in this one, 7th problem is similar to 6th one, where how much more or less does a customer pay for an article if the sales tax of an article is increased by 15%, 2%, decreased by 6 or 3%. The similar way, what we have to do is, here we increased it and the difference amount was subtracted. In this case, they are saying it is decreased to 6% or decreased, so 8,250 minus whatever the difference amount is what you need to find out. Okay. The 7th problem is similar to 6th one. Give it a try. If you don't get it, put it across the comment section. Okay. A bicycle is available for 1,664 including sales tax. If the list price of the bicycle is 1,600, find the rate of sales tax. If the list price of the bicycle is 1,600, find the rate of sales tax. In this one, what they have given is amount paid by the customer is given and the sale price is given, which is quite simple. You can put it across. 8th problem says amount paid is equal to 1,664 rupees. Amount paid is equal to 1,664 rupees. I hope brightness came up. Okay. And if the list price of the bicycle is 1,600, so selling price will be equal to 1,600 rupees. I need to find the sales tax, the rate of sales tax to be found, and the price a customer will pay for the bicycle if the sales tax is increased by 6%. Again, the second part is similar to the previous problem which we did. Let us find out the rate of sales tax. We can say amount paid and sales price. What is the formula? How can we clear a link with it? We'll see that amount paid is equal to sales tax plus selling price, which is equal to, I can write sales tax. They have not given the rate of sales tax, but they have clearly mentioned 1,664 and sales tax is unknown, plus sale price is 1,600. So sales tax will be equal to 1,664 minus 1,600, which is equal to 64 rupees. So sales tax is equal to 64 rupees. Now we're using this one. I can find out what is the rate. So rate of sales tax, I'll be taking it as X multiplied with rate of sales tax is equal to X percentage. So in that case, sales tax is equal to X multiplied with sale price, that is 1,600 divided by 100. So 0 gets cancelled. Sales tax is 64 rupees is equal to X into 16. So X will be equal to 64 by 16, which is equal to 4. So rate of sales tax is equal to 4%. And in the next part, they have given the price of a customer will pay for the bicycle if the sales tax is increased by 6%. So for 4%, this is the amount he is paying. If it is 6%, what will be the amount? Find it and put it across the comment section. Okay, going further, let's see what 9th problem and 10th problem goes to. When the rate of sales tax is decreased from 9% to 6% for a colored TV, Mrs. Geeta will save rupees 780 in buying this TV. Find the list price of the TV. Similar kind of a problem where they are saying 780 rupees is saved. The difference amount is what they are talking about. Obviously when the rate of sales tax decreases, the amount paid will also be reduced, right? That reduced amount is what they are talking about. After reduction, they are going to save another 780 rupees is what they are talking about. Try to solve it and put your solution across comment section. If you are not getting the solution, you can put that as well in the comment section. Okay, a trader buys an unfinished article for 1800 and spends 600 on its finish. Okay, 600 on its finishing, packing, transportation, etc. He marks the article at such a price that will give him 20% profit. How much will a customer pay for the article, including 12% sales tax? The question is quite simple. In this case, we'll include another term which we have not done till now, that is cost price. Okay, why are we including cost price? Is because here a vendor is purchasing an item, altering it, making it much more expensive and selling it. So there is a cost price and there is a selling price. So we need to include cost price in this kind of problem. So I'm doing the 10th one. Give a try for 9th problem and 8th problem as well, and put across your solution in the comments box. Okay, a trader buys an unfinished article for rupees 1800. So cost price will be equal to 1800 rupees, and spends rupees 600. So total CP, total cost price for the trader will be equal to 1800 plus 600 rupees, which is equal to 2400 rupees. Okay, now he marks the article at such a price, that will give him 20% profit. Okay, now the market price or selling price is equal to cost price plus 20% more of cost price, 20% of CP, right? Market price or selling price is definitely greater than cost price. How much greater? 20% greater. So I'm including this 20% over here. So what I'll do, my market price or sale price, I'm taking it as sale price because from the beginning we are doing it as sale price. Let it be the same way. So sale price is equal to cost price, that is 2400, plus 20% of 2400 rupees, which is equal to 2400 plus 20 by 100 multiplied with 2400, 0 gets cancelled. 20 times 24 will be equal to, 24 times 2 is 48, so 480 rupees. So 2880 rupees. So selling price will be equal to 2880 rupees. We got till the half point. Now they are saying how much will a customer pay for the article including sales tax. Now I know selling price, so amount paid by customer will be equal to selling price plus sales tax. Selling price is 2800 rupees marked, plus sales tax will be equal to 12% of, sales tax is equal to 12% of the selling price, that is 2800. If I solve this problem, I'll be getting my solution. Let me solve it on the right hand side. So 12 into 288 divided by 10, 0 gets cancelled. This is what I have. Now I can write it as 2 5s are 2. 12 into 288 divided by 10. I feel this is more easier. 28.8 multiplied with 12. I'm cancelling this 0 and putting a decimal, including a decimal in this particular number. So if I do this way, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 8, 16, 17, 2 times 2 is 4, 5, plus 288. So 6, 7 plus 8 is 15, 8 plus 6 will be equal to 14, 5, 6, 14, 2 plus 1 is 3. So after decimal there is one number, so 345.6 will be my answer for this part. So 2880 plus 345.6, which is equal to, if I solve it, 2880 plus 345.6, so 6, 5, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 again, 3. 3225.6 will be the amount paid by amount paid by customer will be equal to 3,225.6 rupees. So 3,225.6 rupees will be the actual amount paid by the customer for this particular article. If you have any doubts, you can put it across the comment section. Now 11th problem seems to be similar to this one. A shopkeeper buys an article for 800 rupees and spends 100 on its transportation. He marks the article at certain price and then sells it for rupees 1,287, including 10% sales tax. In this problem, what they have done is they have given cost price. They have given the total cost price can be calculated, and instead of giving it in terms of percentage, they have given amount paid by the customer directly. So with which you need to go backwards in the direction, put X as the value for selling price, and try solving the similar problem. We have already done multiple problems in this case in today's session, in this particular video. So try and do it. If you don't get it, put it across comment section. We can give it a try. We can do it and get the solution. Now 13th problem seems to be an important problem. It was asked for some question paper. Now let's see. A catalog price of a music system is 24,000 rupees. Wait, 12th one. A shopkeeper announced a discount of 15% on his goods. If the market price of an article is in his shop is 6,000 rupees. Okay, so market price of an article is 6,000 rupees. They have clearly mentioned, and shopkeeper announces a discount of 15%. So that means 10% is 600 rupees, 5% is 300 rupees, 15% will be 900 rupees. So for an amount of 6,000 rupees, the discount of 15% makes it 5,100 rupees. I mean 900 rupees discounted. So the selling price will be equal to 5,100 rupees. How much a customer has to pay if its rate of sales tax is 10%? So 10% of 5,100 rupees is 510. So 510 added with 5,100 will make it 5,610 rupees. Okay, 5,610 rupees will be the amount paid. It is a simple problem. It could be done over voice. So give it a try. If you are able to get it, it's good. If not, put it across comment section. Okay. Now, the catalog price of a music system is 24,000. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 8% on the list price. He gives a further off-season discount of 5% on the balance, but sales tax at 10% is charged on the remaining amount. Find the sales tax a customer has to pay. Okay, this problem seems a little big. Let's try doing it. The catalog price of a music system is 24,000 rupees. That means the market price, catalog price is nothing but quoted price or market price or listed price or whatever we call it. So market price is equal to 24,000 rupees. Market price is 24,000 rupees. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 8% on it. So the new selling price. So after 8% discount, what will be the selling price? Selling price will be equal to 24,000 minus 8% of 24,000. Why are we saying minus 8%? Because this is basically discount. So discounted amount is always subtracted from the actual value, right? So 24,000 minus 8 over 100 multiplied with 24,000. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 24,000 minus 24 times 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 1920. So 1,920 rupees will have to be subtracted from 24,000. 1 second. Alright, sorry. Videos. Alright. Done, it's clear. Okay. So 24,000 minus 1,920 will be the new selling price, which will be equal to 920, 0, 10, 9, 3. Alright. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 9, 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 22,080. Okay. You may ask a question. There could be a possible question arise. Why are we taking in this particular problem? They have mentioned that. I'm sorry if the video is making the image dull. I'll just push this phone. Okay, done. See, in this one, the shopkeeper gives a discount of 8%, and again he gives another discount of 5% is what they have given. So if there is a doubt, why are we not taking it as 8% plus 5%, that is 13%? Let me make it very clear. Now 8% is the discount he puts on the list price, that is 24,000, and on top of it, whatever the amount which will be available, whatever will be the sale price, the new sale price, on that they are making another 5% discount. They are not saying like there was a 8% discount first and then another 5% discount was also added to the same value. They're not doing that way. It is not done like that. He gives a further off-season discount of 5% on the balance amount. So the balance amount is now 22,080. So on this, another 5% discount is marked. So selling price will be equal to, new selling price will be equal to 22,080 minus 5% of 22,080. So which will be equal to 22080 minus 5 by 100 into 22,080. 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 2s are 2 ones are 1104. So which makes it 22,080 minus 1104. 10 7 again 10 1. So I'll be getting 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, 10 minus 1 will be equal to 9. So 1 minus 1 0, 20. 20,976 will be the new SP. New SP will be equal to 20,976 rupees. This is the actual selling price at which he'll be selling it. First, there was a discount of 8% and we got 22,080, and then again another additional discount of 5% was given by the shopkeeper, which makes it 20,976 will be my new cost price. I'm sorry, my new selling price, sale price of the customer, of the vendor, sorry. Now, the customer sees it as the final amount as 20,976, but obviously the sales tax has to be paid by the customer. So what happens? Amount paid by customer equals selling price plus sales tax. So selling price is 20,976 rupees plus sales tax will be equal to, they have given sales tax percentage is 10% of 20,976, the same formula which we used in the first problem, rate of sales tax multiplied with sales price divided by 100. Okay, when we do this one, we'll be getting 20,976 plus, the same way I'll remove this 0 and I'll make this as a decimal, which is 2097.6. If I add these two, my solution is up 0.0. This is 2097.6. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 10 plus 7 is 17. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3, 2. 23,073.6. 23,073.60 rupees will be the amount paid by the customer. There are two things asked in this question. The sales tax a customer has to pay. Sales tax that a customer has to pay will be equal to 2097.6, and the final price he has to pay for the music system is 23,000. You can put it in the words, which is A, sales tax paid by the customer is equal to 2097.6 rupees, and similarly the final price of music system is equal to 23,073 or 23,073.6 rupees. Two values, put it across in your exams. Yeah, obviously the rupees symbol you can use, in 23,073.6 you can put a line and a dash to make it look much more like an amount. Okay, now this is with the first exercise. 1A is done. I'll be putting another video for 1B very soon. Okay, the second exercise and third exercise, 1B and 1C, there are two different exercises. Both can be done so in the next video. Please do put across your comment in the video section, I mean in the comment box, what you feel about the video. Thank you.